Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to recover deleted photos on Android when you accidentally delete the photos. Alright, let's get started guys. Go to your gallery application or photo application on your Android phone, and this is my gallery application, so just tap on it, and after that we can click on this button. Then I'm trying to find trash option, and this is the trash option, and just click on it. And if you want to recover the deleted photos, you just need to click on the deleted photos that you want to recover. I'm going to recover this photo, then click on this recover button. Alright guys, and now the photo has been recovered, and we can go back to the previous section. So this is the photo that I have just restored, and we can also go to our file manager on our phone to recover the deleted photos. So just click on file manager and you can click on the trash right here. But wait guys, alright, and I'm going to restore the photos from my gallery, so just tap on the gallery option, then just tap on the photos that you want to recover, then we can click on this recover button. Okay guys, and that's how we can recover deleted photos on Android phone. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.